Hi and welcome to the Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will tell you about the payment method element in the Beae website builder. So as soon as you guys come onto the Beae website builder's dashboard, this is the dashboard that you guys see. On the left side, you guys have the option for a payment method over here. Simply drag and drop it over here on your web page, and then after that, you guys are gonna see it appear over here like this. Now on the right side, you guys have the option to change up its alignment. You guys can have it be aligned in the center or on the right side or on the left side. You can also change up the text over here as well to something else. You guys can also add in more lines such as whatever you want. I'm just typing in over here completely secure, and then after that you guys can of course change the text to be bold. For some text you guys can have it be italic, for some text you guys can underline it, and for some you guys can change up the color. You guys can do complete customization. Then up top you have the option for a style. In the style option, you guys can change that text color to something else. So like over here, as I'm doing right now, I've just changed the text to be yellow. You guys can also change up the typography as well to basically some other font. You guys can also use Google Fonts as well. If you guys have a favorite font, you guys can install that. Then you guys can also change up the size, weight, transform it. You can even change up the style as well to be something italic. You can also change the decoration to be something else as well. And of course, you guys can also change the line height and the letter spacing. Then below that, you have the option for text to shadow as well. This makes the text look really nice, and I honestly really love this. So you guys can definitely use these features, and you guys can make sure that your website really stands out. So guys, that is how you use the payment method feature on the Beae website builder. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.